12:30 p.m. 808dragon.com. So I live right there. Why the fuck is this bitch always fucking right down my fucking alley? 3 watts of solar input. Fuck you. On the bright side, the batteries kind of charges as I turn the cooler off. But 0.5 amps. Fuck you. Right there. Right there. How the fuck you gonna ask that? It was right there. Seriously. And then there's that. Look at that right there. Come on, man. It's like, seriously, right over my fucking head, dude. And in real life, is it saying that? I'm gonna scrub my damn phone.